Hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English test of other past question. Question number 47. The same instruction is applicable here. We are looking out for emphatic stress. So, to answer this question number 47, the sentence here says, Tammy's elder sister was always complaining. Tammy's, there's apostrophe there. Tammy's elder sister was always complaining, and the capitalized word here is complaining. Complaining is an adjectival word. Belongs to adjective. Adjectival word, which is adjective. The option A was Emeka's elder sister always complaining. B was Tammy's elder brother always complaining. C was Tammy's elder sister always appreciative. D was Tammy's elder sister occasionally complaining. E was Tammy's younger sister always complaining. Now, if you look at option A, we have complain repeating, so complain cannot construct complain. Take note of that. In option B, complain cannot also construct complain. In option C, appreciative is an adjectival word. Take note too. So adjective constructs adjective. There in option D, complaining cannot construct complaining. There in option E, complaining cannot construct complaining. Therefore, option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.